What is the right way to do scalable design ideas? That's what you're gonna learn in this video. So usually what people do is make a couple template designs and use design script automations and upload automation to make thousands of these designs. And most of them never sell because no customer is looking for them in the first place. That's the first problem we're gonna fix, is to do a niche research for the scalable phrase we're gonna work with before we even start on the design process. I will give you a list of 50 scalable phrases for free to use so you can save some time looking for them yourself. Here is the list you will receive. For example, I'm gonna take this phrase, you can never have too many. Now the wrong approach is me taking the phrase and going directly to design without doing any market research on what niches have demand and sale on this phrase. So how do you exactly do this market research? Well, it's pretty simple actually. Take the phrase you're working with, in my example you can never have too many, and go straight to Amazon search bar and paste your phrase. Now you will get suggestions of what exactly the customer is looking for. You're not gonna be designing and praying for something to have demand and sell. You know exactly where the demand is. It's right here. All you gotta do is now supply. Okay, you could add shirt to get only suggestions about t-shirts, but I like to keep it like this to get more suggestions. So click this one, you can never have too many guitars, for example, to see how many results in this niche. Okay, we got 5,000 results. That's a lot. Without ads, it will be hard to make sales in this niche. And I know a lot of you don't use ads, then let's move on to the next niche. So just delete the rest guitars t-shirt and check another suggestion, maybe trucks here. Okay, now we got only 800 results, and the sales are honestly pretty good compared to the results, and there is a bunch of reviews too. That's a perfect niche if you ask me. I checked the trademark and there is none. Same thing with the copyright, it's clean. Now before you go to the design process, let me find another niche with the same phrase, so when we design I'll show you how you can save time while designing for both niches. Same concept, delete the rest and keep your phrase, and look for another niche. Let's see dinosaurs. Okay, this one with only 300 results. Well, the BSRs are not perfect, of course, they're not making hundreds of sales, but imagine if you have thousands of designs in niches like this. They're gonna compound into some good cash every month. Think about it. Don't underestimate niches like these, especially if you work organically without ads. You're gonna have to look for some niches with low results, something like less than 1,000 results. But if you have ads, you could enter whatever niche you want, obviously. I guess now you got the idea on how to use the scalable phrases. Just repeat the same process with the others. And before we go design for both of these niches, if you're tier 500 and above and couldn't achieve yet $1,000 per month, I could help you with that. It's a coaching program where I personally take you step by step to the goal of $1,000 per month. Let's be real for a moment, you're not gonna make it in the first month or 2 months. It's gonna take at least 5 to 7 months to achieve it, and 2 hours of work every day at least. So this is not for everyone. I'm not here to sell you dreams. Now if you think you're serious and ready to put in the work for the next months to make $1,000 per month, then make sure to click the first link in the description and book a free call with me. Okay, the design, I'm gonna start with the first niche we found. You can never have too many trucks. I'm using Illustrator for this example, and I always put 2 or 3 designs aside that are selling from the niche so I can make something similar or combine them both. I'm designing for a white background since most t-shirts I found in the niche are for black or dark colors in general, so a common way to stand out is always change the color. Starting by the text and choosing a font, we know that the target audience of this niche are kids. That's why the font that we should use has to be something that feels cartoony and bold at the same time, just like the sellers in the niche are doing. I'm gonna use this one. It looks bold, but it's not really that hard bold font. For the truck graphics, you could really use any website or AI to generate graphics from Carol or any other software. In this case, I will take some graphics from FreePic. As an example, I just searched cartoon trucks and I will download this one right here. And also let's take this other one. You can download multiple elements and take some from here, some from there, and combine them into your design. In my case, these are the one I got. Copy this one and bring it here, scale it up a little bit, and I will flip it to the other side by right clicking and choosing reflect. Next I'll copy this other graphic, paste it again and scale it up. And finally this last one. And now we have a line of truck graphics. Now duplicate the text, type the rest of the niche, have too many, and one more duplicate and type trucks. So I'm doing like this design down here, but without too many graphics, because I'm gonna only add 2 trucks on each side of the text trucks. Let's take this one, place it here, and this other one to the other side. Okay, I think this design is looking good enough. Now for the next niche, you can't have too many dinosaurs. This niche also's target audience are kids, so we can keep the same text and font and just change trucks to dinosaurs. But remember, if the niche wasn't targeted to kids, we're gonna have to look for a different font, since it's not gonna be the same target audience. For example, taking another scalable phrase like I survived my wives. Here in Amazon search bar, you can see the niches master's degree and doctoral degree. You could pretty much use the same layout of the design and the font for both niches. audience. But for this niche marathon training, here you're gonna have to change things up since it's not the same target audience, cause the master's and doctoral degree are for graduation. The second one is for marathon, two different niches. Okay, going back to our second design, since the target audience is the same as we said, I'm keeping the font and only change trucks to dinosaurs. And I'm gonna need some dinosaurs related graphics. Again in free pick, look for dinosaurs. Alright, let's see the results. These graphics, for example, are perfect for a kid's t-shirt. Start by copying this one and place it here. Take this T-Rex next and place it down here, and the exact same with the other graphics until you have something like this. And that's it. Now with this strategy you could make a good design in less than 5 minutes that you know they could really sell because you did the niche research and you know that there is customers that wanna buy this, not just blindly automate hundreds of designs and hope they have some audience somewhere. No, just do the exact same process I did for all the other scalable phrases I gave you, and you will get a lot of good niches to work on. And if you're facing any problem in print on demand, just ask me in the comments, I'll make sure to answer you.